I have been loaned some music and sound effects just so we can try and get the code in there and get some sound effects and music in there. So I have been loaned some music and sound effects. Now some people might recognize it, and if you do, well done. So we're going to try and put some sound effects in. Yeah, we're going to try and we got the Benny Hill music, but we're not going to keep that one in, but we're going to try and put some sound effects in. So points for guessing. You can try and guess. So I've promised I won't put them in the Git repo, so unfortunately. But here we go, we've got some music and we've got some sound effects. Now there was a lot of sound effects and I've picked 4. I've got them noted down here. So we're going to try and implement this music. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another definition so we can turn music on and we can turn sound effects on and all that. Yeah. So, but we need to write a macro. We need to write a macro to make it work. So these sound effects are written in Goat Tracker. So we need to write a macro so we can play the sound effect. So, macro. Yeah, let's put them in capitals. So what we need to do is we need the address of the sound effect and the channel number that we're going to put it on, and then it's we have to load A with the address of the sound effect, load Y with the high of the sound effect, load X with the channel number, and then JSR. And in this particular case, it's 1006 because this is using Goat Tracker. Now I'm going to encompass this in our if statement. I think that's what I called it, isn't it? Oh. It's probably better to be like that. Still not right. Oh. Is it not right? Is it not right? Oh, okay. Well, we'll try anyway. So we're gonna change Benny Hill. We're gonna change Benny Hill to music tune. Oh, spelling of tracker. I thought that's how you spelt it. Is it not? Okay. So we're not going to load Benny Hill in, but we'll leave the import statement there. We are going to load music / music not according to their repo. Oh, okay. I'm oh, okay. Nah, it doesn't matter, does it? Right. So we've got this music. So we're going to right. I've picked the in-game music that we need to initialize. Yeah. So we'll put the initialization with the Benny Hill initialization, wherever that was, and we'll see if it'll play. So where did we initialize Benny Hill? There. Where is that? Oh, right, okay. Okay. Back up. Yeah, that's right. So, the music that I've picked out is track 7. And then in our looper, oh, it's set up sprites. Play it again. Oh, that's right. That is right. Okay, so let's turn music on and see if you can hear it. Oh, it overlaps. Oh no. Oh, it overlaps by a big margin. Oh no. Oh rats, I didn't test that. It's 5k too much, isn't it? No, it ain't. It's a k too much. Oh no! Rats. Okay, so we can't use that. I can't use that as a demo. Oh, nuts. I didn't check that. I didn't check the size of it. I'm a bit annoyed now. Oh well. It means I can't even load it in either, can I? FaZe, are you on? Just move the music up high, but it's all one file, mate. And I don't know with SID relocate. But it's not a SID file, mate. It's a bin file. That's the thing. It's a bin file, not a SID file. I don't think it came. I don't think it came with a SID. Hang on, let me have a look. No, it didn't come. It didn't come. Yeah, I should have noticed. I should have noticed it was too big. Oh, that's annoying. All right then. We'll have to wait for his master to come back. And that's not going to work, is it? Is the Benny Hill tune smaller? Hang on. Let's load it up. Yes, it's only 3K. As the demo one was 6. As the demo one was 6, yeah, it's only 3K. Oh, that's annoying. It's really annoying. I really wanted to see if we could do it. Right, hopefully that's going to fix itself. Right, so F6. Oh, that's so annoying. Let's just make sure it still works for Benny Hill. Yeah. Right. We'll have to wait for his geniusy to come online, and then I can ask him if he can make it smaller. Oh, I really wanted to show it. All right, so we're gonna have to leave that for the bit. So we're gonna have to leave that. So the next, what I was gonna try and do was this. I was going to try and do the parallaxing, yeah, and this is why I've got this open, yeah, because I'm going to try and see if we can put clouds up in the top, yeah, and what I was making sure was did we have enough space to do it, right? So if I run it, here we go. So if I stop, right, so this, oh, it's difficult to point, right? This area here is where we're scrolling from there up to there, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 characters tall. Yeah. Now that one is there, goes to there, which is sort of halfway. Sort of. And our maps are 12 deep. So we have all this space to put clouds in. And what I was thinking was to have these two lines and these two lines as different cloud layers, so to speak. So we'd have them having some clouds on there. Now I can see that there's clouds up here, and they look like they're 4 wide. Looks like they're 4 wide. Oh, they could be bigger. Where's the original one? Where's the original one? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got we have a 6 and a 4 of, so we can make various clouds. Hey GaryMeg. Now, to make life easier, I think we should make them all. We should think 6 wide. To make life a little bit easier, because the reason why, if we make them all 6 wide, we can still make them 4 wide inside the 6 wide, which just makes it easier to implement. Cause yeah, let's do that. Right, I'm gonna stick that to one side, and I'm gonna fire another one up. Right. So I'm going to file save as. Let's do that. Right, where's the other one? Let me put this to one side so I can see it. Right, so we're going to do 6 wide, and they're going to be 2 deep, right? So 6 wide. So 6 wide. That's 18 for 3 sets, and 2 deep. There we go. Now let's see if I can recreate these on this side. Let's see, we have got, let's do the big one first. So that is going to be that. That. And that. And that. And that. And that. That. Hey Saucy. I was gonna do the sound effects, but the file's too big, which is annoying. I was geared up to get it to work, but it didn't work. Ooh, that doesn't look the same. There we go. Right, that should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, that's that one. So we'll put the small one on as well. We'll put the small one on. So that is... So we missed that one and we start there. So we're going to do that. Then it's that. Then that. And then the bottom is that. That looks like it. Nope, that's not it. It's that one. And then that one. So that's another cloud. I don't know if we could make any more. I suppose we could make a different shape. Let's... miss one there. Right, let's swap this about a bit. Whoops. Put that there. Put that there. That looks like a spaceship. That looks like a spaceship. Well, that'll do. We've got three. We've got three clouds. So we're gonna try and parallax the clouds, yeah? In fact, put that there. And we will recreate that small one again. Just the two. Just the two. Just gonna have the two. We haven't got enough space to put any more on there. That looks alright. Yeah, I'll live with that cloud there. Just the two. So got these two and then that one. So what we need to do is we're gonna have two layers of parallax clouds, yeah? So we're gonna have two layers. So that means that the trees are gonna lose four rows. So the best way to do this is to save that, and then we're gonna have to alter the trees and get them to lose four. But what we'll do is we'll start with the first one. So and we'll turn off the tree insertion. We'll turn off the tree insertion just so we can get the parallaxing going on there. So we're going to need two more frame counters. Yeah, we're going to need two more frame counters. We're going to need because we're going to have the two rows parallaxing to each other as well as parallaxing to the floor. I think GaryMeg's just mentioned that. Yeah. So what I thought was, whatever speed we've got. Hey Phase, I tried to do that music, mate, but the file was too big. You know that the bin file's too big. It won't fit in. Right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take up two columns for the high clouds, and then 2 rows for the high clouds, another 2 rows for the clouds underneath it, and lose. Yeah, I'm limited with memory, mate. I mean, I can give. I mean, if you could recreate the the binary file with just the music that I'd selected and the 4 effects that I'd selected, then that might work, yeah. But it's in its current form, it won't fit. It blew it by a long way. Right. So let's get this thing done. Right, let's get this thing exported. So let's export that. So there's our clouds, our 3 sets of clouds. It's not that, Gary, it's the music clashed with the well, that's just give me a thought, that's just give me a thought. We could move all the graphics to a different bank. We could move all the graphics to a different bank. Oh, why didn't I think of that? Mate. There you go. You got 5 points for making me think of that. So we're gonna let's change the bank. Let's change the Vic bank. Right. So what are we gonna go for? How long or how large? Well, let's change the Vic bank, mate. It should be easy to change the Vic bank because we've got everything all labelled up. So, oh, I need my site, don't I? Let's see. Should we put it in there? Let's put it in at 4,000. So let's grab that. Let's put it in at 4,000. So let's do the initialization and switch it. Initialize Vic chip. So we're going to be in there. Right. So we're going to put it in bank 2. Bank 1. Which is that. Right. So let's change some constants. So screen RAM is now going to be 44. Instead of that, sprite 0 is going to be that instead of that. Color RAM will be still the same. Right, let's just make sure we haven't got screen RAM anywhere else. Right, that should be it. That should be it. Oh, it can't be that simple, John. Keep checking. Keep checking. Right, so we need to move our character set from there. So that's going to be 6, 6, 6. Right, let's move that out of the way. Put that way down here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. I like your thinking. I like your thinking. I like your thinking. Yeah, I like your thinking. Right, so we've moved everything out of the way. So we can then bring that back in. And we can shuffle this up. In fact, right, let's see if that does. Oh, it has. Now, sprites are right. Have I put the characters in the wrong place? Let's make sure I've got it right. Oh, 7,800. I've put it. It's at 7,800. Where did I put the character set? Oh, here. Missed one. Right then. Okay. So it works. So let's turn the... okay, we're back onto this. Let's turn the music on. Oh, and it blew a fuse. Okay. Why did that fail? Right. Why did that fail? Well, that's okay. And it's... It is 1003, isn't it? Just to cycle through it. It is 1003, wasn't it? Let's have a look. It's 1003 to play the music. Oh, maybe I'm starting it wrong. Hang on. Hang on, maybe I'm starting it wrong. Yeah, maybe I'm starting it wrong. Let me do the default. Let's do that. Let's see if that works, the default. No! I must be missing something. What am I missing? Am I missing that? Is that important? Does Goat Tracker rely on the IRQ? Does Goat Tracker rely on the IRQ? Yes, that's probably it then, because I've disabled it. No. It's 1000. It's importing it at 1000. Oh. Oh, I hate sound. It's a black art. I wonder if I should get it running there. Will it run there? Let's hang on. Let's fire it off in there where it's in the title. Where are we? Screen. Yeah, it still works when we go back to Benny L. Let's stick it in here. Display health. Where's the? Let's get floor. Where's the? Oh, it's in date. No, it's not. It's in logic, in it. It's where we're getting the choice. difficulty. Here we go. It's here. That's where I need to be. So let's grab that. Alright, I'll check it in a second, mate. I'll check it in a sec. Let's just put this back in here. Right, let's do that. You said it didn't start at 1000. But you've got it loading at 1000. You've got it loading in at 1000, mate. Am I supposed to be loading all these FX files as well? Well, this is the music, yeah? So this should play on its own, shouldn't it? Yeah, but why is it not doing it there then? Could I have put it in the wrong place? Where's that at? That's at 105. That should be okay. Why is this throwing a fit? Put it at the bottom. Hello. It doesn't like it in the main routine, does it? It does not like it in the main routine, so what's the difference between that What's the difference between that and this? I'm not sure. I think that's the default tune. Hang on. I think, did I change it to 7? Yeah, I changed it to 7. Why is it no? Why? It can't be the interrupt that's... Oh, let's free up the interrupt. I don't think I override the interrupt anywhere. I just turned it off. That is just nuts. That is just nuts. I don't know why it fails on the second time around. Oh, yeah, that's a point. Phase, which zero page values have you set aside for it? FB and FC, I don't think I used those. See, it's run through it there, and Nico's on the screen, but it just bombs out. Right, let's put a breakpoint there. We'll shuffle through it. Where's... Yeah, mate, yeah. Let me just... Oh, it didn't even get round, did it? It didn't even get round. Right, so I start the music up here. So when I initialize the game, that's when I start the music. Here. Yep. Try disabling the second music init. Well, I've only got one music init, which is this one. I haven't got another one. I don't think I've got another one. Initialize gameplay. So it does that, does the difficulty, initializes gameplay. I selected 7, yeah. Let's see where it's crashing. Right. So it's gone through the once, yeah? Right, that's that one. Where's the next one? DO12. DO12. DO12, it's got to be here somewhere. There's another one. That's another raster. So let's go to that one. Yeah, let's pick that one out. I don't think there's another DO12 somewhere. It's there. Ooh. That's what I've got. That's what I've got. But I have noticed that we've got some corruption there. That's what I've got. I'm just trying to find. I'm just wondering if we're corrupting the program. Right. So there's the play, and it's doing it. Yeah. Because if I put a breakpoint there, in fact, let's put a breakpoint on all the rasters so I don't have to keep looking for them. In fact, I'll put a breakpoint on the final raster. So that's where the music is. So we'll ignore that. We'll put the breakpoint there. Get rid of that. And then the last one, the last raster is here. There. Let's find out what's going on. So that's the first one. That's the second one. Ooh. What's going on here? Was that the bit? Oh, yeah. Okay. So it's not that me panicking about something. I wonder if it gets to the... I wonder if it gets to the end where we loop back round here. I wonder if it gets there. Hey Nicomo. No. No, 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 no. So we must be writing over something. We must be writing over something. Well, it can't be any of that. Because it's not actually getting anywhere. It's not getting to the return back. So we'll have to step through all the we'll have to step through everything. So there's the RTS we're aiming for. Do we get to there? No. Right, just out of pure curiosity, now that's strange how the title screen didn't do it. No fudge, just type faster. Its own interrupt. I don't know. We'd have to look. We'd have to look. Let me put a breakpoint on the setup and see if it affects the its own, if it's got an interrupt of its own. Oh, I've done that and I didn't want to do that. Hey, SP. Oh, that didn't break, did it? Why did that not break? Oh, this is taking a lot longer than I thought it would do. Oh, why is it not breaking? It's not even hitting this. Right, okay. Okay. It's not hitting this. So initialize gameplay. Hang on. Have I got it in the wrong place? Yeah, I've got it in the wrong place. Initialize gameplay is initializing the gameplay. We want to initialize the game. Right. Let's try that. There we go. Oh. Right, let's see. Does it mess around with any 0-page stuff that I use? Well, that didn't use anything that I use. Well, we'll be able to test for that, mate. We'll be able to test for that because I will put. Let's put a breakpoint on when we play the tune in the difficulty here. Let's put a breakpoint there, right? And then we can see if if 033 what's it has changed. Right, 0314, let's see if that's changed. No. It hasn't changed the interrupt. Phase, you've got it syncing with VBank of 58. Does it matter? Does it matter what V blanket is? Nearly all of them. Right, and then I don't know what the difference. But the thing is, it's actually failing in the loop, in this loop, in this. It's not getting anywhere. So that's the original. That's where we play the music. That's where. So it's actually failing. Let's go to the last. There. Right. Let's see if any of these routines fail, because it's failing somewhere. Right. Hacking galore. Here we go. Right, I'll just turn the sound down so it's not. There you go. And I'll turn that off because I don't want to listen to it. Right. So if I F11, right. So it's got to that routine. Right. F11, does that routine happen? Yes. So 2600. Let's put some breakpoints on these GSRs. Right, F11. Does that one work? Yes. 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 That one. That one. That one. That one works. Now it's got to the RTS. Then it's gone back. That's playing. Oh, that's because it's Benny Hill. That's because it's Benny Hill. Yeah, 4,000 is the screen now. Oh. Oh, that's a good point. It stops at 4.1. It stops at 4.1, so we've got our screen at 4.4. It was a good spot though. I'm still trying to find which routine's failing, yeah? Because it's not that I don't think it's the sound. I don't think it's the sound play. I think one of the routines failing. Right. So it should break. There we go. So let's put breakpoints on all these GSRs. There's one there. Go there, there, there. Right, let's find out which JSR's giving us grief. Right, so that one's okay. That one's okay. That one. That one. Ooh, 347D. Right. Something went wrong in 347D. Right, let's find out what 347D is. The scroll. Oh, right. Oh, hang on. Oh, rats. Screen scroll. Where's the screen scroll? Screen RAM. Yeah, that's fine. Screen RAM 4.4. Screen RAM 4.4. Scroll left. $48.7, did you see? Okay. Oh, this is going on, isn't it? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Right, okay. Okay. Here we go. So it's the screen unrolling. Right. That's why it's crashing. Good investigation, boys and girls. John's a plank. Right, where's the screen there? Let's grab that and let's put it after this lot. Good investigation, boys and girls. Right. Right, okay, we're in business. Yay! Good spot, Saucy. Good spot, mate. Hey up. Yeah, now we're gonna. Has my bot failed? Yeah, my bot's failed. Yeah, the bot's failed. Right, let's do that again. There we go. There we go. You lost all your points? What? Oh, you've changed your name. Oh, you changed your name. Hang on. Why have you changed your name? Where are we? There we go. Alright, okay. Where's your old name then? There. You got rid of the 63. Right, we'll change. We'll okay, so where are you there? So you have 254, 274 now. 274. We will lose that one. File. Save. Oh, you've lost yours as well. Okay, hang on. Where are you? Are you? Oh, you're there. Right. So what are you? Is it 2 underscores? Is it 2 underscores, FaiRLane? Right, I think it's 2 underscores yours, isn't it? So we'll leave it at that. Right then. Right, let's fire that back up. Right, FaiRLane, do my points. Do my points like that. And it tells you how many it should tell you how many points you got. I think it's my points. No, it's my OSK points. Like that. So it should tell you how many points you've got. There you go. You're back to normal. Right, slight digress. Right, what was I doing? What was I doing? What was I doing? Oh yes. Oh yes. We was importing the sound effects. Everybody's. Hey D-Type, welcome. Everybody's. there's points. Right, okay. Where's the sound effects? Right, I need to bring the sound effects in. So we'll call it bounce SFS. No, we'll do this. SFX. So this is 12. And then we've got what's that one? Dazed, which is 14. Which is 3. And which is 6. Right, so we've got some sound effects in. Now I wrote the macro at the start of the stream, yeah? Before everything it went all belly up. So the first thing we're gonna do the bounce where Nico's jumping, yeah? So if we go into Nico and where he jumps, so we need to do it on the jump initialize. Here we go. Here. So this is where we need to do it. So we'll do the macro. I've forgotten what the macro name is now. What's the macro name? Play sound effect. Here we go. So play sound effect, open bracket, bounce, sound effect, comma 14. Right. Let's turn on. Let's turn that on. Right, let's see if we get a sound effect when he jumps. Ready? Here we go. We got a bounce. Right, let's put the other ones in then. So, dazed. It would be better when he starts going up. Ah, 10 minutes preparation. No, that was... Right, you're going to laugh... FaZe, you're going to laugh at this. While I was at Leicester... While I was at Glenfield Hospital in Leicester, in the car park while my dad was being seen, I took my laptop and your stuff, trying to work out your thing, trying to work it out. That's why I was so disappointed when it didn't work, because it worked in the test program that I wrote. It worked in the test program. But yeah, that's what I was doing in the car park. Oh, and playing Sonic the Hedgehog on my Nintendo DS. Right, so I'm not going to... Yeah, we'll do Dazed. We'll do Dazed. So I need to... Where's the jump gone? Aha! Right, let's grab that. So in Dazed, let's get rid of that breakpoint. So when he gets dazed, here we go. I want to do... that. Now, dazed, I'm going to have to switch on collisions because I turned them off. So let's switch on collisions and let's see if the dazed sound effect happens. Here we go. Right, I know what's happening there. I know what's happening there.
Oh, baby spud, because it was just so funny. We pooped to bed.
Yeah. Right. It's in here. So we need to continue the music, don't we? Hang on. When it's in paused mode. And we haven't got that in there yet. Let me just grab it. Oh, where is it? Oh, I'm nowhere near it. Initialize. Here we go. Playing, paused, paused, paused. Paused, paused. Where are you? Here we go. Oh, got all these breakpoints in. Dazed. Paused. Here we go. So we will stick it in between two rasters. Now we'll stick it in there because there's nothing going on in there. Right, here we go. Right, here we go. So, we should get an when he hits the tree, yeah? There we go. And the music's still playing. Hey! Right, so P should carry on. Right, so I've got an effect. I've got an effect now for when he eats a cookie. Yeah? So I've got an effect. I picked an effect out where he's eating a cookie. So let's find where he munches a cookie. No, I think just because we're adding it in, there is places where I'm not running the music cycler, so it's sort of breaking. But we'll sort that out. I need to power up detected. Here we go. Power up detected. Load animation. Is it a rotating? Right, here we go. So this is the cookie. Right, so cookie. Right, let's see. When he eats a cookie, do we get a sound effect? Go, here's a cookie. Oh, I'm going to run out. Did you hear it? He ate a cookie. Not going boing when he jumps up as well. It's not going boing when he jumps up. Right, first things first. Why is it not playing? Why is the cookies not going on? Well, I'll sort that out in a minute. But it's not going boing when he does the jump. Nico jumping, here we go. So, so it must be in here. Here, yeah, it's here. It's there. Right. Oops, wrong one. No, because I've turned the interrupt off. Alright then, mate, I will do that in a minute. Here's a cookie. Here's a cookie. Come on. Not getting that. Why are we not getting cookie? Oh, there's a cookie. There we go. Come on. Nice, now he's doing it. Oh, right. So, The last one that I'd got was when he picks up a power up. Yeah. So when he picks up a power up. So so we're testing for flight, which is here. So if he grabs a bone, it plays the power up, and also invincibility. Right, here we go. Yeah, this is for the bones and shields because they're the power ups. Watch it, we're not going to get any now. Not going for that one. Oh, give us a bone. We had loads. Ah, we got a shield. Here we go. Did you hear it? Here's the bone. Right, let's see if we can fix where it fades out and keeps the music going, yeah? So, let's see. So it's in setup sprites difficulty, here we go, it's here. This is it here. This is it here. So we are going to where are you? No, I'm going the wrong way. No, I was going the right way. There it is. So on the fade out, we're still running through the cycles. There we go, fade out looper. So we can put it in there. So now the music shouldn't have a break. So if we pause, so pause is working. Yeah, pause, P-A-W-S, pause. Right. Let's go for a bit faster. Here we go. Oh, it's too early. Oh, died again. Oh, dazed again. I'm not getting that. Good catch, John. Good catch. Oh, and I had to. Oh, I thought it would miss it. fly in. Right. Now, I don't know about you guys. But I'm going to give FaZe some points for the demo sounds that, you know. So, here you go, FaZe. If my memory serves me correct, we gave that to Stacy for his graphics. Now I know the sound effects and the music is a tester and it belongs to something else. Yeah. But if I'm allowed to use them, you know, we could. If I'm allowed to use them, I know they're for something else. But it does mean now we've now got the ability to add the sound effects and the music to the game. Yeah. So you have an idea? Okay, mate. Okay. So done. Awaiting. Well, no. We'll say test done. Yeah. We'll say test done because it is. We're using a test file to prove that it works. Right. Okay. So. Are we going back to parallaxing the clouds? Yes, I suppose we are.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Thank you for the bits, mate. Thank you. You wanted to do the test? Okay, yeah. Let's do that. Let's swap them over. Right, here we go. Ready? No.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Who's give me some bits now? Oh, Nico. Thank you very much for the bits. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Right, so we know that the SID tune is not the Benny Hill's SID tune is not compatible with what phasers give me as a test. It must not be a Goat Tracker one. So we'll put it back. Yeah. I do like this. Right. So, I'm not going to do the parallaxing. I think we should do this. I think we should just put the game over screen in. Alright, Stacy. Night, mate. See you later. See you next time. Hey, FaiRLane. Night, dude. Thank you for joining. Right, so I'm thinking of the game over. I see. What? Do we just put game over? That's the thing. Do we just put game over? Wait for him to press a key and then it recycles back round. Because I've forgotten when this is. Yeah, I'm just thinking. I've forgotten when this is due in. Yeah. Phase, when's this due in? When's our homework due in? 10th of September. Oh, we've got 3 weeks. Got 3 weeks. Right, so how will the game be released? I think you need to talk to FaZe for that. It's his game jam. Right, so let's do. So how are we going to do? How are we going to do game over? How are we going to do game over? Do we have enough to do? No, we don't. We don't have the characters. We don't have these characters to make a big game over. So should we just have a normal game over screen? Sprites? We haven't got the space, mate. We haven't even done me yet. We haven't done me, the sprite of me. And I think we've only got enough space to get a 4-frame animation of me running. How large is the PRG file at the moment? Well, we go up to 998D at the moment. it's getting bigger by the minute. Let's just there we go. So we've got a bit of space. We've got a bit of space there. So maybe let's do a bit of reorging. Oh, that's where the screen is. It's there, isn't it? That's where the screen is. Let's do that. Let's just put let's do that. Let's put the screen in there. Yeah, so that's where the screen RAM is there. So if we let's do a dot fill. Is it? Ah, yeah. So that's the screen RAM. You can use sprites to display screen over. Well, I suppose because now we've moved. We could use all this space for the sprites. We just need to. Yeah, we could, couldn't we? Yeah, I've got lots of space now. So yeah, we could do game over. Or another character set. I think the character set would be tricky because it's 1,000, isn't it? So that's 4,000 to 5,000. Oh yeah, I suppose we could. Yeah, I suppose. I mean, now we've done this, we could reorganise our sprites here. These sprites here, these character sets. I suppose we could reorganise the character sets. We can't use 5,000 to 6,000. Or can we? Yeah, we can. No, because that's it. 5,000 to 6,000 we can't use, but we can put the sprites in there, I think, can't we? If we put date sprites in at 5,000, does that display the character set? I know the Vic chip. Oh, it baffles me. Not in bank 1. Are you sure? Right, let's turn the sound off. Are you sure? I always thought that the character set was between... Yeah, look, 6,000, it's the norm... Oh no, it's me. Oh, I've forgotten where the character set was now. I like the idea of having game over. Yeah. So that's going to be 8 sprites, isn't it? If we have 1 for each letter. Yeah. So this bank starts at 3,000. Yeah. The bank starts at 3,000. So I always thought that 1,000, so it was 4 to 5 would be the normal character set. Oh, let's reload this because this has gone a bit funny. Oh, how did I put the character set back? Oh, it's there. Like a Wally, I'm not seeing it. Okay. Okay. So, let's make some sprites then. Let's make some sprites. And see if we can simulate this. See if we can simulate that. So let's see. First, so if we do G, but these are characters, mate, not sprites. Can we do that? Can we do that? Character 27. Oops. You know, it won't let you paste. Yeah, it's sprite. So we're just going to have to... I'll just move it over here. I'm going to see if I can try and recreate it, yeah? So we're not in multicolor mode. We're going to be in normal mode. And we'll see if we can do the N. So that's 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3 down, like that. And then 1 more. Then 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the starting of the N. Oh, we're gonna have to shrink them down. That's 6. Oh, I'm rubbish at this. Rubbish at this. Always rubbish at this. Yeah. The thing is, I've just realised that the characters that FaiRLane's done are actually bigger than a sprite. They're 4 characters deep. So we're going to have to do 8 sprites filled with the colours, yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, we'll create a new file. Fill. There we go. We'll do that. So we'll just put the 1 on there for the moment. In fact, we'll move that there. Right, so game over. Right, so this is game over. We're not doing the ice score, but we'll do the game over. Oh, here we go. This is dazed. This is dead. So yeah, we'll try and layer it over the frozen on top of the screen. Yeah, we're going to try and layer it over. We're going to try and layer it over that. So we're going to have to. gonna have to mess around, yeah. So we'll create another one. In fact, we'll take the paused. We'll take this paused and we'll modify it because it's almost the same. Yeah, it's almost the same. So we'll grab that and we'll stick that in. And this is game dead. Now we'll call it game over. We won't say dead. Call it game over. So it's going to keep the band-ins, yeah? It's going to keep the music playing. And it's going to keep the band-ins, yeah? The only difference is when we change state, we're going to have to... Oh, we don't have to, do we? No, we don't. I was going to say we need to record where Nico is, but Nico will just put Nico back to its default state. And we know where that is. We know where the default state is. So what I'm going to do is here. This is where the Nico. This is where the Nico title is, yeah. So we'll keep that there, but we'll put the sprites over the top, yeah. We'll put the sprites over the top, and then we're detecting for the orange, which is further down. So we may have to put another raster check in there to re-establish the Nico sprite. So what I'm going to do is with game over, it would be nice if Nico P's had the obstacle. You guys. Right. Let me add this. Just to see if it's gonna do it, yeah. Right. So that should run this, which is basically paused mode, yeah? So let's just try that. Let's just try that. So I'll put it in evil mode so we get there pretty quickly. Right, here we go. Right, so that's the first one. Now right, so that's one life gone. That's 2. 3. 4. There we go. That's it. That's the game over. Yeah? That's the game over. So, is it too loud? Is it too loud? Oh, SP, what on earth are you doing, mate? Let's have a look at this. True collaboration when it happens in real time. Right. Let's have a look what SP's just sent me. Let's see what SP's just sent me. Oh, nice. Hey. Oh, nice. Let's just boost that so you can see it. So that's the first sprite. Okay, so you're getting 2 characters per sprite. So we only have to think about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 sprites. Well, I can live with that. Where's the animation? I'll let SP work on that. So, mate, I'm not rushing you. I will allocate 5 sprites. We'll allocate 5 sprites for the end, and we'll see what you come up with. Yeah. Right. Okay. So logic. So this is the game over. Yeah. So Nico was still running the net. Oh, sure. Amiga came over. Right. So Nico was still running. So what we need to do is we need to put. We'll put 5 sprites on the screen. Yeah. Right, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll do. So Nico is sprites 0, 1, 2. So we can use 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that works. That works. So in where we transition from here, this is it. So where we transition, so we can set up the sprites, yeah. So we've got a base. Oh, we've got a base sprite. I need to import the sprites in as well, don't I? Yeah. I need to import the sprites. But what? Oh, just thinking. Yeah, I need to import the sprite in. Let's pick a sprite. Let's pick a pointer. 4,000. Oh. That was 64, wasn't it? Oh, John. Get a grip. That was 64, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay. Right, that's going to turn them on. Set the pointers first. Turn them on. Right, we need to set them. We need to set their Y. We'll put them at 100. Go away. Go away. SPY. So 3 is going to be 6, isn't it? So that's 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 10, 12, 14. So that's put them all on the same Y, and now we just need to do the X. So where should we put them? In the middle of the screen, yeah? So the middle of the screen is... What's the middle of the screen? So it's going to be 20 times 8. Plus 21. Right, so that's the middle of the screen. So if we put the third sprite in the middle of the screen, and a sprite's 24 wide. Yeah, I thought it was 21. I thought the offset was 21. But we can change it anyway. So we've got 181 minus the width of a sprite is 24, so that's going to be 12, isn't it? So the first one's going to, no, the middle one's going to be 169, and so minus 24, 145 minus 24, 121. So 169 plus 24, 193 plus 24, 217. Now we can tweak these. We can tweak these, yeah. If we end up overlapping. Right. So. So we're going to start with 121. Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Right, I see what you mean. So ADC 24. Like that, yeah? That should do it. Yeah, like that idea. Nice. Cheers, dude. That was a good suggestion there. Right, so we've placed them on the Y, we've placed them on the X. Yeah. So what I was thinking was that we have a direction. Yeah, and we're going to get the sprites to do that. So we set the sprites up. So in the game over loop, we'll use that sprite direction here to offset the Y. Yeah. So no, that's paused. Right, game over. So we're gonna have the sprites in between 105 whatever and here. So we're gonna work out the sprites here, yeah. So where they're animating Nico and stuff like that, we will. In fact, we can do it down here. We can do it down here. So no, we did not. Now I'm just thinking out loud here. I'm just thinking out loud. Nico won't be there. If we've got any power-ups, yeah, we will get rid of them. So MS. Here we go. No, we're just turning it off, aren't we? Do we have a 0 up here? Do we have a 0? No. Right, so that turns off the most significant bits. Right. So, at the bottom, we are going to run through... We're going to run through the sprites, right? I'm going to run through the sprites. So we're going to start with... yeah, so we're going to run through the sprites and we're going to apply the direction and then we're going to test the Y value and then we'll invert the direction, yeah? We'll invert the direction. So it makes them go up and down, yeah? So, now we need to think about this. So we're talking 5, aren't we? So LDY #0 sprite looper right, transfer Y into A, times it by 2, transfer A into X. Right, so Y is our sprite number, X is where we're going to plonk it, yeah? So, LDA, sprite, that, comma X, okay, ADC, direction, comma X, compare. Now let's store it. Let's store it back. comma X, and this is Y. Right, so we need to compare. How far should we make them move up and down? You know, how far? So they're starting at 100. So how far up and down should they go? Should we make them a sprite or half a sprite? Yes, good point. Good point, mate. Good point. So, how far should we make these sprites? I've just thought, what I... No, we'll talk about that once we've got it working, yeah? Half a sprite each way, okay. So, sprite's 21 deep. So that's going to be 100 minus 10. That's half a sprite, isn't it? So if we say branch if carry set, and CMP hash 100 plus 10, yeah, and branch if branch if less than to exit, so we're fine, yeah. Right, so what we need to do is we need to change the direction, yeah. So if we've got oh, I shut the calculator down, didn't I? So if we're going from, oh, let's do it in binary. So if we're going from, no, let's do it in hex, it's easier. If we're going from there, yeah, to 255, then we need to XOR it. Okay? Why does that come up like that? That's not too... Oh, silly me. Right, we need to XOR it. Yeah, so we need to flip these bits. But that one needs to stay on all the time. So that's going to be XOR 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. XOR 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. Yep, that'll do. You want to see what we've done?
Yeah, go on then.
You want to see what we've done?
Hi, chaps.
Mrs. OSK's finished playing Minecraft.
It's my bedtime.
Right, here we go. Look, they're saying hello.
I'm not going to get anywhere near the camera.
I know. Got music. Right, so let's got difficulty. Listen.
That's looking so good. Why did it not have done? Now he's got a cone on.
Yeah, he's just hit a tree,
Yeah.
so he's dazed. So he's waiting for us to say continue, and then he's off again. So he's got his cone on temporarily, which makes him invincible. But yeah, we just hit another tree. We're just doing the game over now. So when he runs out of lives. So what do you think?
Oh, it's looking amazing, guys.
Getting there.
Absolutely amazing. It's very clean.
Well, it will be. We're getting there.
Yeah. I mean the whole
Oh, the
graphics and the movements really clean.
Yeah, we've just got some fine touches to
Yeah.
get the timings right.
Well done, guys. Well done.
There you go. Got the Mrs. OSK approval. Seal of approval.
Right.
You off to bed then?
I'm off to bed.
Alright, night night.
Good night, darling. Night, chat.
Right, so contest is now over. Well, she's not seen it. She's not seen it for a while. So, I mean, she was hearing me messing around with the music earlier. Hey, we have a new viewer. OTU. I'm sorry if I've destroyed your name. I do apologise. Welcome to the stream. You find that we're a friendly bunch here. Right, so we've got to invert the direction, yeah? So we've basically got to invert the direction. So we've just worked it out in the calculator. So we're going to load the direction. We're going to exclusive OR it, and we'll do it in binary so you can see 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 0, and then store it back. Yeah. And what we're going to do is we're going to move that to here, and we'll put a thing invert direction, and we'll just do a jump. In fact, we can do a BCC. That should work.
It was 21 degrees in the bedroom. I put the aircon on for an hour just to take it down a bit. It's now 15.
Oh, it's a bit cold in there, is it?
Yeah.
Mrs. OSK put the aircon on in the bedroom and now it's a bit cold. Right, so that should work. If it's greater than, it's going to come here and then test that. But the other direction is it's less than, which we want to invert, which is what we're going to do here. Yeah, so now we've done that. Now we've done that. In fact, we'll change this. So iron Y, CPY with 6, because we're always going, because we've just increased Y here, and we need to go through. So we're starting off at 0, so we need to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 5. And then
here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hey, who's followed? Who's followed? Oh, our new friend. thank you for following. Thank you for following. Guys, he followed us. He followed us. Right, oh, I've got so many windows open. Right, I can see. I can see now. Right, so branch if not equal to... what did I call it? Sprite looper. And then if it is equal to, it's going to come back out. Yeah. So let's just check.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really
Oh,
spoiled me.
Nicomo. Thank you. Thank you for the bits, mate. Thank you. Right, so checking for the unpause key. We're going to there. And then we'll be exiting. Yeah, that should do it. Right. Now this may be a little bit fast, so we'll find out in a minute. We'll find out in a minute. So we're gonna die intentionally. So we'll put it on insane mode, so it's done and dusted quick.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Does it alter the Y? Oh, we'll find out in a minute, mate. That's 2, 3. Do I? Let's find out. Oh, he got invincibility then. Okay. Why can't I see them? Ooh. Let's see. What did you put? Don't need the first B a C. Oh, yes, you're right. We don't need that, do we? The sprites are disabled. I thought I enabled them. I thought I enabled them. So... oh, that's paused, isn't it still? Yeah. Here. I thought I enabled them. Well, let's breakpoint it and see what happens. Right, I'll turn the sound off because it's going to be annoying. There we go. And we'll just see what happens. Oh, and I still got all the breakpoints in, haven't I? There we go. And let's speed it up. Here we go. Maybe I should just do one live. I didn't think about changing the lives. There we go. There's number 2. Oh, I got invincibility again. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. There we go. Oh, I've just thought. Maybe that sprite's not populated. What's at 4,000? Oh, it's not populated, look. That's why we couldn't see him. Right. Right, let's see. Oh, gotta get rid of that. Go on, Nico. Oh, invincibility straight away. Only us could get that. Oh, let's speed it up. There we go. Right. So set the Y value, set the X value. Let's do Control F5. Let's see what's going on. Right, they're all blank. I've just set them to 255. Why are they all blank? Well, there they are. There they are. Oh, well, that's not working, is it? That's not working. Right, we've got something wrong, and also we're not. Let's do a quick. There is 64, isn't it? 255. So that's where the sprite's going to be, yeah? That's where the sprite should be, I should say. Right, it shouldn't clear it now. It shouldn't clear it now. So let's see if we get sprites on there. Really? Still not showing the sprites? I have worked it out right, haven't I? Oh, I've still got the breakpoint in. Right, there we go. Right, load 40. Right, let's do shift that. Right, here we go. So, change the first one. Change the second one. Change the third. Well, it's not changing the sprites pointers. Why is he not changing the sprite pointer? Oh, it's changing them now. It's catching up. It's catching up. So we're all at 40. But 40 should be... I have worked that out right, yeah? Sprite pointer 40. Oh, right, okay. Doesn't help when I've got my command... Oh, Phil. Doesn't help when I've got the command wrong. Right. So this should be on maximum. And I still got that in. Press F11. Oh, look at this. Getting low. We're getting loads and loads of... Oh, this would be an excellent one, wouldn't it? Loads and loads of invincibility power. Another one, look. What is going on? Stop giving him power-ups. There we go. Oh, the health ran out. Oh, the health ran out. That's a life, isn't it? Oh, we need to... Right, hang on. Right. Okay, so we're at the sprite pointers. Right, let's do that. There we go. We've now got... Oh, we did have... We did have full blocks. Where's my sprites gone? You know what? Ugh. I now know what I've done wrong. Eh dear, I now know what I've done wrong. The bank starts at 4,000, isn't it? Bank starts at 4,000, not 3,000. So it's sprite 0 that I'm filling in. Right, that still doesn't stop the fact that my movement is gone stupid. Right. So we know it goes through this because we saw it. So load the Y, add that, so if it's 1 it will add it, we'll compare it. If it's less than 90, invert it. Go to the next sprite. Oh, don't. Plank alert. Ah, such a stupid mistake. There we go. That's not bad, is it? I think that's okay. Once it has the graphics in there. So that if SP is doing what he did with the first one and got 2 characters per sprite, so game is the first one and then over. Yeah. Oh, you've done it. You've done it already. Right then. Let's get in there. let's do this, boys and girls. Let's put it into Nico run. Let's open sprites. I'm trying to be inclusive, mate. I'm trying to. Oh, look at that. Oh, excellent. Look at that. Look at that. Right, okay. Let's get this exported. Let's import it in. Right. Okay. So we need to tweak this as well here, because we're starting at sprite. Oh, I've just had an idea. I've just had an idea. Oh, you've done. Oh, you used 4, didn't you? You used 4 sprites. Okay. You used 4 sprites. Right, let's work our sprites out again. So we've just taken a sprite out, so that's 24 pixels. So we need to add 12 to that, so that's 32. But let's make it 28, so 6. Hang on. So that would put it back in the center, but we need a gap between game and over. So let's say a 12 pixel gap. So that's going to be 6, isn't it? So that's going to be 26. And then here we will add a 6 pixel gap. And that will do the next 2. Well, what I'm thinking, we're going to get there in a minute. We're going to get there in a minute. I've got an idea, mate. I just want to, let's get it to do it. Let's see what it looks like. So we're now down to 4 sprites. So let's get rid of that. And we'll leave the colours, because I was going to ask what colours we should make it, but we'll leave the colours. Right, here we go. So, boom. Oh, and like a wally, I missed what I was going to do. Plank, 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 plank. Set up sprites. I forgot my important thing, which was INX. Right, here we go. Right. We can't have blue for obvious reasons. And the first sprite's in multicolour. So we need to turn the multicolour off. Yeah, I think we should lower it down. But wait, mate. Right, let's turn the multicolour off. So it's that one, isn't it? And also, I think we should do this. Ooh. Right, let's do that, and LDA hash white. Right. Now, this is going to look weird, but we're gonna mess around, yeah? So here we go. This is going to look weird. Right. So we need to drop it down a good 20 pixels, and I think that's what you said, wasn't it, Saucy? Yeah. And we need to now, because now we've doubled it. We're going to have to work it all out again. So each sprite now is no longer 24; it's 48, isn't it? So the middle is 181. The middle is 181. We'll just call it 180. So 174, and then we just minus 48 from there. Right, okay, where's my calculator? So 174 minus 48 equals 126, and minus 48 equals 78. Right, let's see. So we're starting off at 78, and now we're adding 48. 48. Oh, invincibility's coming at us from all angles. There we go. Right, I think the spacing needs to be brought back for the and we need to increase the gap in the middle. So let's do that. So let's go. Let's drag it back 546. So if we've taken 2 off there, we're going to have to add 2 here. And we need to drop it down, don't we? So we said we was going to go there. Right, here we go. Oops. Oh. We forgot. No. Because once it's done, we're not going to change it. So we just need to change it down here. So it's that and that. Me and you were on the same level. It's scary, mate. It's scary that me and you were on the same level all the time. Invincibility again. And again. There we go. Do we need to bring the gap's just a little bit too big, isn't it? I think another 2 pixels off. So add 2 there, take 2 off there, and take 2 off there, and we'll add it there. That might be slightly off center. We'll work it out if it is. Oh, that works. Are we still got music? Oh, we still got music. So he's still got music. That jitter is where I'm on my OBS. And they should move slower. Okay. Yeah, we can make them move slower. We can make them move slower. The way to do that is we can use the frame counter. Yeah, we can use the frame counter. Right, that's half the speed. Right, that's half the speed. So we're doing it every other frame. SP, what do you think to your sprites? I love them. I love them. Oh, look what we got down here. That's sprite 7, isn't it? That's sprite 7. Yeah. That came out better than you thought. I think it looks wicked. I do think it looks wicked. And as I did with everybody else who helps out, there you go, mate. Right, so it's 11:15, so let me, yeah, right, okay. So, let's put down what we need to do for the next stream. Right, so the next stream, so the game over system almost done. Right. So, but what we need to do, so, next stream, here we go. So in the next stream, we need to game over, press key to reset game, and reset game, but not high score. Right, so that's what we need to. So on the next stream, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to continue with the game over. Yeah. So we're going to get it so you can press a key and it continues, but we need to reset the game to its initial state, but not completely to its initial state. Yeah. And then we will sort this out. We'll sort this bug out, which we spotted. And then we can start thinking about the parallax clouds. Parallax clouds, I think. Yeah, and then we'll start thinking about the parallax clouds. And if somebody wants to an attempt to sprite of me running after him, by all means, have a go at it. If I'll always include, as I've just shown, as I've just done with SP, anything that's done for this game, I will include it. If we can fit it in, we'll include it. Alright guys, well we've I'm really pleased now. I'm really pleased that we got the sound working. I am really pleased with this. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm loving this. I'm loving this. There you go, FaZe. You cannot not get a high score. Right. Thank you very much, guys, for joining me. So it's Wednesday today. Yeah. So on next Monday, we will continue with the game over screen. We'll get that finished. And then we'll come back to parallaxing and see if we can add some parallaxed clouds going across here. And then we can do the tidying up, yeah? And we'll try and get the stabilized rasters and all that jazz. Thank you very much, guys. I'm really pleased with what we're getting. So all right then. Take care, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.